Ginger, the ultimate healer. Fights inflammation, eases joint pain and muscle soreness, boosts immunity, helps fight colds, flu, and infections, improves blood flow, supports heart health and warms the body, aids digestion, relieves bloating, nausea, and stomach discomfort. For bone pain, 1/2 inch ginger, grated, 1/2 tsp turmeric, 1 cup milk. Boil milk, add ginger, simmer 5 minutes. Add turmeric, stir, drink warm. Eases pain, strengthens bones. For cough and cold, 1/2 inch ginger, crushed, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 cup warm water. Steep ginger in warm water 5 minutes. Strain, add lemon. Soothes throat, boosts immunity. Ginger pain relief plus immunity boost. Do follow for daily dose of information.